Taiwan, no or the. So let's just modify this rule. Every common noun, okay, 小写的名字, all right? Now, in German, this is a problem because in German, every noun has a capital letter. 每一个名词有大写的字母. Okay, but that's German. English doesn't do that anymore. English used to do that, but not anymore. Okay, so every common noun needs an article. Now we have a bit of a problem because 有什么意思? The 可以说 the book 一个 the books 两个三个，也可以说 the water 不可数的，就是哪一个？一定是一个 right? So if the noun is plural, 有比较多的 alright, 不是一个 do not use okay? So means one. That also means you have to be able to count it, right? 它一定是可数的，因为如果有一个可以说一，所以是可数的。Okay, so if the noun is uncountable, 如果它是不可数的，不可以用All right, that's it. That's all there is for this little rule. Every time you use a noun, there has to be an article. But if you mean 这是比较多的还是不可数的，不可以用Okay, that's it. 所以简单还是很难的。Okay, 它是很简单的，对不对？Okay, what about 什么不简单的 ？Always use an article. 每次你要用还一个还是 the， 一定需要用的。可是的意思是 one, right? Is one. 所以如果你不会说 one， 不可以用That's it. If you cannot say one, water, for example, or books, if you cannot say one, then you cannot say 还有什么问题？还有一个问题 ，the 跟是不一样。How about that question? How are and the different? Right. So when we use the, what we're saying is the. 如果说有一本书，哪一个？如果我说有一本书，是哪一个？我们不知道 right? It's a book. We don't know which one. But if I say there is the book, I have to point. 因为是这本书 right? I have to point at it, so that's the difference. 有一本是哪一个？我们不知道。Anyone is fine. Oh, any. Right? Okay, but the have to be able to point. Okay. Now this is a fun part of English. You remember how sound and grammar goes together? 文法跟发音有关系 Okay? 什么时候 th 有的音，什么时候 th 有的音？ 有声还是无声？无声。有声还是无声？ Every word, all of these words, actually there were only 2 words to begin with in English with the. One was this idea of there, that, like pointing at something, the. The other one was you, but it was spelled, we had a th sound for that. Okay? 他们都是用有声的 the. This, that, there, then, they, therefore, 都是用有声的 the. 不同的字 any other word at the beginning of the word 是无声的 th. So it's actually kind of cool that we have the sound and the grammar going together. Okay? So one more thing about and the. What if I'm telling a story and I say the boy walked down the street and he saw the dog? 如果它是故事前面的 at the very beginning, I say the boy. 哪一个, right? Which boy? So in a story like that, I actually kind of have to start with a boy walked down a street and he saw a dog. But afterwards, if I want to talk about that boy, then I have to say the, right? A boy saw a dog. The dog bit the boy. Because if I don't do that, a boy saw a dog bit a boy. It's 2 different boys, 2 different dogs, right? So, and the meaning is not hard. Using them is not hard. There's only 2 rules. 它是很简单的，所以它是一个可以开始小心用的。You can start being more careful with your English. Start here and make it better. Okay? 了解吗？这个有没有问题？Okay, now there are a couple other things I would like to bring up about this. We still would have questions about this. Taiwan, the Republic of China. Canada, the United States. So, we still have some other things to talk about for these words, but they're not as common. We don't need to worry so much. 如果这边有一小的问题，没有那么重要的 ，OK？ 可是他们是简单的，你不用有错的 ，you don't have to make mistakes with those. Okay. Do you guys feel like having a short test? Can we have a short little test? Just for fun, to help us to find some problems, okay? So, these sentences are all sentences that my students at other universities have had mistakes with. These sentences are all wrong, okay? So, try to find all the mistakes. Okay? Try to fix. Does everybody have a pen?
No.
You come to an English class, you have to bring a pen. I only have a couple. All right, who? You have one, okay, so pass them around. All right, it's like elementary school all over again. Okay, so try to find as many mistakes as you can. If it's too hard, don't worry. it's not a real test， 所以如果你真的看不懂，不用担心 ，OK？ 可是试试看 ，see if there's something where you can see a problem。如果你可以看到一个问题，可以跟他开始 ，OK？ We can start with the first ones and then see how it goes and see if we need to have more time for the others. Okay? So, the first one. Okay? So can you correct it? Just again. You could help him if you guys can see some problems.
Let's go home. Only one mistake or
That one has 3.
It's R-A-I-N.
Okay, that could be a different word. Raining or rainy, it depends. 它是形容词，它是动词, right? So that's okay, it's raining.